Good day, beautiful BraveHearts. I'm here with the lovely Serena, and we are on day 3 of the Women's Pelvic Restoration 3-day Masterclass. And the topic today is the conscious activation of your flower power, and just how we don't really realize how we become disconnected from that beautiful sacred feminine energy that each and every woman has, that we have the ability to consciously connect with and take that energy and use it for the healing and balancing of our bodies.
Great. We have the same 12 women. No one ran away. Everyone came back for more. And today is amazing because when they arrived today, we saw amazing smiles, amazing radiance in some of these beautiful ladies. All 12 fantastic brave hearts coming back for more self-learning, self-discovery, and self-healing through self-loving. We have the lovely Linda.
Hello there. Having a great time, learning so much.
Hi, my name is Emily. I am in my 3rd course. And Serena and Alicia are amazing teachers. Oh my goodness, they create a safe space for everyone to share. I'm loving seeing the growth and healing and sharing happening with this beautiful group of ladies.
Would you be able to come? Would you be interested to come for the 4th course if you had the chance?
Of course. We can never have too much.
Exactly, right? And we have the lovely...
Hi, my name is Julie, and I want to thank Serena for all of her knowledge and her expertise. It's been an amazing course. Thank you.
And she has a couple of issues that she's healing through this learning.
Yes, I've already healed a few things already, thanks to Shalu and Serena. Thank you so much.
Alicia.
Oh, yeah. Yes, and Alicia.
Shalu for providing the amazing lunch and the Southsonic and all the nutraceuticals, vaginal infusion package. Yeah, and Kathy with the Southsonic here. We have the... we will be doing the move non-surgical later on in the afternoon, but for the time being, we have Colette, who is still here. She came back for more.
Yes, actually, of course, you know, having Serena, Alicia, and Shalu work on me verbally, but I got a breakthrough because I've been going for yoga and chiropractic work for years, and was not able to sit up the way I've been sitting up this morning. I can barely sit down for more than 5 minutes, and we've been here an hour now?
2 hours.
Same position, and I'm still good.
That's amazing. Fantastic. And we have Diana.
Hi, this is a beautiful course, beautiful people. Thank you, Serena and Alicia. And maybe 2nd course in Calgary.
I just want to mention Diana came very shy, very quiet, and today when I saw her, I said, oh my goodness, Diana, she's saying more than one word today. Aren't you amazed? I'm impressed. I'm really happy that she's opening herself up to more learning, and the beautiful radiance coming off from her face from day 1 to today is such an amazing change.
Thank you.
And then we have performer Leona, the singer.
Hi, Leona here. I just want to say that this course is more than I expected, and it's amazing what it does for the pelvic area. Not just that, but for the heart, the well-being of yourself. And I can't wait to learn more, heal more, and do this for my family, for my girls, for my granddaughters. They're coming up, and they're going to need this. So thank you very much, Serena, Alicia. You're awesome. I'm glad I came to this course, and I'm looking forward to Calgary.
Cool. And we have the beautiful Magdalena, my amiga.
Hello,
from
everybody.
Mexico.
Hola. Hello, how are you? I'm here with Serena Foxon and Alicia Williams. It's an amazing course that we should all women take. It is the pelvic restoration. We learn so much about our pelvis and our vagina. It's very important how we got the power right here. We learn about it. And this is very, the base for our health. Number one, how do you call it?
the powerhouse, number one important, most important body part we have, right?
Yes.
Our powerhouse.
Powerhouse.
You're taking control back in your command center.
Yes. And we want to reach 100 years.
100 years
Thank
with
you.
free pelvic movement, freedom in the pelvis.
Yes. Namaste. Amen.
And then we have Kathy, who's been helping many with the Salsonic tool.
Hi everyone, I'm Kathy from Barrie, and this course is absolutely amazing, and I'm learning things that the enlightenment that has been taught here from Serena and Alicia. I want to take that back to my 3 granddaughters. It's something, I see their enthusiasm in their young faces. They got to keep it. I think I lost that in, the whole growing up through the education system and whatnot. And it's just a wonderful enlightenment to return to that time, to that space. And I look forward to teaching this to the girls eventually over time, not everything right away. But what I've forgotten over my youth into adulthood and whatnot, it's wonderful. The enlightenment that has come back, the aha moments continue. It's wonderful.
So in one word, you would recommend everyone to take this course, or?
Absolutely. Every female should be taking this course, and hopefully there's one for males eventually, but everybody should be learning all about this anatomy and what it is meant to be. And it would help so many relationships and just help so many. It's not just men, women relationships. It's how you can now enlighten yourself and help your family, it's indescribable, really. It's just another wonderful learning experience, because we came right out of the non-surgical and the whole life course, just boom, 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 right together. And it's like, I don't know what I'm going to do next week. Well, just continuous learning and keep up with the practicing and
Keep squeezing and
keep
releasing.
squeezing and releasing. And just continue. I highly recommend it. Everyone should be taking this to learn all the basics and then grow from there. Thank you very much, Serena.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We have.
Oh, yes.
Hi.
We got Magdalena. Magdalena is showing, wants to say something.
This is we learn how to exercise our vagina with this egg. It's amazing. It heals your body. It's really healing. It's wonderful. God bless us all.
And then we're back to.
Hi, I'm Stacy. If you're on the fence about taking this course, get off the fence. It's amazing.
Hi, Shalu here, and my God, I've taken the course before. This is my 2nd time, and this lady here is freaking fantastic. Seriously, just when you think, she's filled your brain with so much, she goes, oh wait, I got more, and it's amazing. And I want to be Serena when I grow up. So yeah, if you're tired of the desert down there and want to turn it into a moist rainforest, you better look her up and sign up for the course. It's just amazing. And, for me, my biggest breakthrough was doing all of this, the inner child that needed healing. It happened. So, I would encourage everyone out there, all the women, don't let the taboos or all the judgments of society stop you. Just do this for yourself. It's really important. Have a beautiful day.
We have Felicia.
Hello, Felicia here. I just finished the 2nd round of the Whole Life Coach course, and I am certified, and I also am a certified Wolf non-surgical practitioner, and now I've done this course with Serena and Alicia. And I just want to say that the beauty about this course, it's not cookie cutter. And I love how Serena and Alicia have adapted it to customize it for the women here today. And actually, I'm going to correct myself, the beautiful women here today. And
Totally.
yes, and the circle. My favorite part is the circle, because you're able to you heal from the information. The information you get, you can use to heal. We've learned in Daryl's courses how to heal the physical, but now here on also an emotional level, it's a little bit deeper, because you're going into maybe, past things that maybe we haven't forgiven ourselves for, or situations, where we're still needing healing in the pelvis area. And for myself, I've had fusions done by the medical system that I've protected myself over and over throughout the years, and the exercises alone in this class have helped me to have more range of motion in just 3 days. 3 days. Actually, the first day. Yeah, the first day.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so I'm just I'm really grateful for the women that I've met here in this course, and I look forward to learning more. It just never stops in this class.
Yeah. Yes. Well, thank you. We are excited. This is a bunch of beautiful, amazing BraveHearts.
Absolutely.
Who really, the energy here is amazing. All these ladies are squatting, breathing, doing the microcosmic breathing, the right way, channeling all this powerful sexual energy within them for healing energy, for youth and vitality, for brain power, to discover themselves, to learn more. You don't wait too long. There's one more course coming up
in Calgary, Alberta, August 4th to the 6th. If you would like to register for that course, go to braveheartnation.com, click on Calgary, in brackets it will say Airdrie, because it is happening just north of Calgary, a whole 8 minutes, and you can click to register there. Also, just when you're developing that conscious connection to your divine feminine, it is life-changing, and really connecting with and developing that unconditional love for your beautiful self.
Everybody, come on in.
See
how amazing this energy is. That's such fun.
And we'll be back here in November in Barrie, so if you want to join us, come back to
Barrie.
Woohoo!
And
You
got this.
Have a beautiful day, BraveHearts. Amazing.
Bye for now.
Bye.